Have you ever had the perfect photo, but there's a watermark, messy background, or even damage from an old print? Normally you'd need Photoshop skills or an expensive subscription to fix it. But what if you could do it all with just one click and never pay monthly fees again? That's where Imgkits comes in. Imgkits is an AI-powered image and video processing tool. Think of it like a lightweight Photoshop alternative, but way easier to use. It helps you remove backgrounds, erase unwanted objects, restore old photos, and even turn your pictures into art styles like sketch or anime. Here's what stood out to me. Background remover. One click, and the subject is instantly separated. Perfect for product photos or social media posts. In-painting tool. This is fancy talk for remove unwanted stuff. Whether it's a watermark, a photo bomber, or a random object, Imgkits cleans it up. Photo restoration. Old family photos, faded prints. Imgkits can revive them with surprising accuracy. Filters and effects. You can transform pictures into sketches, pencil drawings, or even anime-style edits. Unlimited usage. Unlike many AI tools that charge per credit, Imgkits gives you unlimited downloads and image processing on this lifetime plan. My verdict? Imgkits isn't going to replace Photoshop for professionals, but as a quick AI editing tool, it's an absolute bargain. For $27 lifetime, it's one of those deals you grab, keep in your toolbox, and use whenever you need a fast fix. And remember, AppSumo gives you a 60-day money-back guarantee, so it's basically risk-free. If you want to check out the deal, I've left the link down below. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments if you'd like me to cover more AppSumo lifetime deals. See you in the next one.